of the royal ladies, the Rani, Maharani, and Patrani. Patrani means chief of the chief, head queen. A letter was city. Now look at the upstairs family quarters, downstairs their own shops. Please look at the both side. Both side, the structure of the shops. What? Same pattern, same design, same position, same color, symmetry, geometric. Number two, look at my hand. Look at the straight. Road makes 90 degrees angle because architect was mathematician. And his plan based on geometric order, and a special care was taken to implement them in detail. The words Jaipur city quite different to other cities. Look at my hand. The width of the road 110 feet wide. Municipality rules. Yeah, not more than 55 feet. Half of width of the road. Drawing. Because architect was mathematician. Vidyadhar Bhattacharya from Kalighat, Bengal. Bengali was the architect. The history, we have to concern pro-history. Pro-history means civilization. Very famous civilization in the world. Mesopotamia, Babylon, Yunnan, the cities. When we talk the civilization, in excavation, what they found, same thing I'm going to explain again here, which you have already seen. Okay, so I was talking what they found in the civilization in excavation. Scales align Mariho. Now look at the straight, look at my hand, look at the straight road, 90 degrees, look at the straight roads, look at the structure of the shops, and height of the buildings, and width of the road, width of the road. 300 साल पहले, 300 years back, Jaipur was built. Now please you can look at the next building with the beautiful domes, Sanskrit college. They teach here astronomy and astrology in that time. Left. Excuse me, here on the left one gate is coming. Please look through the gate. Look at through the gate. 3 gates. Now here on the left, see. Entrance to palace, where the king lives. King means descendant. Still they are alive. They live in own parts. Sir, this color what you saw in history, what color? Terracotta color. Gerwa, Shiva, he was the devotee of the Lord Shiva. What clothes he was wearing? Same color. Since it was built that's not a post. Of the Ayurveda, very big Ayurveda institute, And coming gate is the outer gate of the city. We call it Dhruva Pole, Dhruva Tara. Northern gate. This is the outer gate. Members, clipping, cutting, washing, burning. 16 stages. So 16 families involved in that profession. In that way they are earning their living. In this area, what I'm saying, each and every house, I mean woolen rugs. Now here on the left, look at my hand. Every house, natural colors, vegetable colors, world famous. You don't know what you call the Sanganeri paint, that's why we say it vegetable colors. Month of May, June, very hot, hottest. So Raja live in the middle of the lake. You call that water palace, lake palace. Real name is Jal Mahal. Mainly for fishing and saying in Marsiland. The height of this building, 5 stories, half up, half in. Actually, you are allowed in to go, but this last year no good rain, less water. That's why no boating here. So this is the Jal Mahal of this city. Now see here on the terrace, the garden. This is the first building. See the terrace, the big garden. And here on the left you'll find the plenty camels here. Rajasthan. Sorry, Sood Saab, Vijay Sood. He didn't give the SMS to the elephant. You are coming. The elephant should know you are here. 864 kilometers. And height of that wall 80 feet. And length 5 horses can be driven. Against the Mongolians, tell the history of cruelty. Right hand the building, temple, then garden. Here now we are passing Flowers Valley. So this hill area, ranges of Aravalli Hills. Aravalli Hills, oldest. So this is a fortified wall, because the middle phase history means the battle, war, warriors, booty, looting, attack are the safety point.
Pathway to walk.
Central Asia, Turkestan, Mongolia. Oh, you know. Little next place, you can have the better view also. So this is the Amir Fort. We see it clearly visible now. And you was talking about that Jodha Akbar, that film was shot here. Hrithik Rai, Aishwarya Rai, Hrithik Roshan, that was shot here. And a very old time, you know, very famous film, Mughal-e-Azam. Mughal-e-Azam. थोड़ा सा that was shot here. Mughal-e-Azam, that was shot here. अकबर तुझे जीने नहीं देगा, सलीम तुझे मरने नहीं देगा, ये जो डायलॉग था यहीं का है. मधुबाला का डांस, प्यार किया तो डरना क्या.
ठीक है नहीं.
ये नहीं है सर, ये नहीं है, तीन लोग सामने खड़े हैं. अरे वो ऊपर ही बैठ
कोई बात नहीं. सर क्या फर्क पड़ता है. अरे यार
आगे कौन चल रहा है?
आगे तो ये बहुत चल रहा है ना.
आप आगे मिलते हो फिर मैं.
चलो आगे लो, आगे है. भाई बस कर. हो जाएगा.
Anh này đây là hàng cục. No?
Oh really?
Thank you.
One piece together. So please.
नमस्कार, ये वीडियो स्टिल फोटोग्राफी
बड़ा वाला कैमरा
ये अलाउ
ये बंद करो आगे से आगे
मैं भी जाऊँगा आ जाओ
As I say, you need to join us too.
Yes, you want big size group photo? Yeah, मैं तो ठीक है. Yes, please, everybody. थोड़ा इस वीडियो में ध्यान रखना.
सर आइए खड़ा है ना पीछे वन मोर मैम look at it one more
Calcium hydroxide, wheat flour, stone color, gold, 24 karat gold, melted, paste, painted.
Hey, there are monkeys here.
No effect of the sun rays, air, weather, original. What's special here? What I'm explaining new thing. Sir, green color from the spinach. Green color. Now see the beautiful paintings. Skin disease, skin cancer. We are not talking about this. This is a chemical, and that painting's original. So royal ladies sit up there, higher up behind the screen windows, and from there they could see here royal proceeding in privacy. This is public audience. You know, diwane. Number two, king used to go in through the gate. Ladies drop the flowers from up there. I told you today you are royal family members. You are also Raja Maharaja. You are going same way. Nobody up there for your reception of flowers. It means, sir, you should come with your wife. Not wife. With the wives. Why? Because 3 windows. Minimum should be there 3 ladies. Today, please, today, no problem. Today, no problem. Follow me. Next time, keep in your mind. But please, excuse me, please, you take the permission from your home.
Yes, please. Wait. सर आप एक स्टेप आगे आ जाएंगे अभी आगे आइए आप हाँ जी यस प्लीज
ऐसे टाइम बता रहा हूँ आपको.
ठीक है सर थैंक यू
Okay.
चलिए ग्रुप बन रहा है सर यस कुलकर्णी साहब आप बल्कि आगे आ जाइए एक स्टेप मैम आप भी एक स्टेप ओके थैंक यू
There's nothing. Go against the wall.
that one.
Everybody saying. हाँ मैडम से देखिए आपका पिक्चर. नहीं आप देखो नहीं कुछ गाइड ऐसे ही करते थे स्मार्ट Okay, please the palace inside.
Let's move.
बोला गुंडा गुंडा मेरू
बाजू में पीछे के अंदर जाता है ना तो रहूँगा
Candle will be same place. When you go other side, front side, the view will be changed. Spark of firecracker instead of fireflies. Candle will be same place. Go opposite, earthen lamps, Deepak, earthen lamps. So this is the biggest, best sheesh mahal of the country. Shisha means glass mirror palace. Now look at my hand. The first part is the veranda, porch. Middle part, Diwane House, he considered secret matters with the ministers, private meetings. And most interior corner, look at the gate, is window bedroom. Then hammam, washroom. Like a fan. 2 minutes.
I was going to say,
I need 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Can you see building before the Taj? How many people have seen the Taj Mahal? Not me. Okay, same thing in Agra Taj Mahal. Can I repeat here again? Please दोबारा देखिए आप बैठना ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा सबको देखिए. Can you see? This flower like this seems to Scorpio. Yes. Elephant trunk. Look at my finger. Elephant trunk. This part, Pisces, fish. This is the fish. Flower. Same in Agra, Taj Mahal. But this is before, earlier than Taj. Yes. Actually, we are allowed to point. This can fix inside like this. You have 7
हम ऐसे ही शुरू करें
हो जाओ आप.
थैंक यू विक्रम तू पार्क सामने पार्क की तरफ खींच ले सर पार्क की तरफ खींच ले बंद करिए